I am Victor Johnson.
Napahiya lang ako. Ibang-iba yung itsura niya doon sa profile picture na kausap ko. Iba rin yung boses niya.
Mabuti pa, join ka na lang sa birthday dinner ng stepson ko. Andiyan ang address, alas 8.
Victor?
Ikaw ba yung nag-save dun sa stepsister ko na muntik na siyang mahulog sa bangin? And what's your name again?
Sure.
Iki, I'm glad you could make it. Come here.
Nahiya po sa damit.
Akong bahala sa'yo. I'm sure kasya sa'yo mga damit ko. Di ka na. Dali. Let's go.
I'll see you guys around.
Wow, Angel yan. Hindi bagay. My God, Ange, look! So chic.
Oh God, Brands. Look,
What?
it's Naomi.
Oh wait, the one in the middle?
Yeah. Oh my God, this is it. I'm gonna go say hi.
Wait, what? Girl.
Hi, Naomi. Hi, how are you? Oh my God, congratulations sa 10 million subscribers mo sa social media channel mo. Thanks, but sorry, who are you? God, ano ka ba? It's me, Angela. Remember? Ako yung lagi nagla-like sa mga posts mo and you even said hi to me on your live. Okay, thanks. We're gonna go and get some drinks. Let's go. See you! Oh my God! Did you see that? Nag-usap kami ni Naomi. Oh, I think I made a good impression. Excuse me, can I have some drinks?
You know what? Oh my God, that was so amazing!
Right? So let's celebrate! Come on! Cheers!
Cheers! Look.
May I check your invitation po?
What?
Invitation, ma'am.
We showed it kanina dun sa door.
For double checking lang po.
Nandun yung phone ko sa bag ko eh. Malayo. Can't you see we're partying?
Ma'am, sorry pero kung wala po kayo mapapakitang invitation, kailangan po namin kayong i-escort outside the venue.
Excuse me, you can't throw us out. We're friends with Naomi.
Actually, siya nga po yung nag-alert sa amin about your presence.
Miss May!
Hi! Oh, Marikit, this is my husband, William.
Nice to meet you.
This is Marikit.
Hello po.
Ganda mo, Day, ha? Oh, dito ka lang. Enjoy ka lang, okay?
Sige ho.
Enjoy the night.
Sige po. Bye-bye po. Enjoy.
Let's go to Mr.
Hello po.
Yamaguchi.
Marikit Karingal po. This is Marikit Karingal po. Opo. Sir.
Well, you can't do this to us, okay?
Alam niyo, sir, sumunod na lang po kayo para wala ng gulo.
Kahit anong mangyari, hindi kami aalis dito. Oh, what do you want? What do you want? How much do you want? I'll pay you. You don't know kung anong ginawa ko just to get here.
Huwag niyo na pong hintayin na ipa-escort namin kayo sa mga security.
Hindi nga kami aalis.
Pero-
ano nangyayari dito? Pabayaan mo na sila.
Pero, Sir Drew, mga gate crashers po sila.
Okay, pero ako na nagsasabi. They can stay, okay?
Sige po, sir. Sorry po.
Thank you. Thank you, man. Yeah. Thanks for the support. Yeah, for stepping in. Yeah.
Grabe. Hindi ko naman alam na powerful pala ang DJ dito.
Who said I was just a DJ?
What do you mean?
I'm Drew Jimenez. I own this place.